So the Prime Minister will also have a very brief interaction with the Indian diaspora in Jeddah. But as always, the diaspora are gathering in large numbers to welcome the Prime Minister to Saudi Arabia. Listen in to what they have to say.
मेरा नाम अंबली है, मैं केरला से हूँ, कोचिन से। मैं भी इतने ही एक्साइटेड हूँ। We are so grateful that we can meet Modi ji. It's a once a lifetime achievement.
मेरा नाम सुनीला प्रकाश है, मैं केरला से आई हूँ। I'm so excited to देखने के लिए मेरे मोदी जी को। पता नहीं कि मैं क्या कहना है, उतना अधिक एक्साइटेड है मैं।
An excited Indian diaspora there with women and men coming in from different parts of Saudi Arabia, gathering right now in Jeddah, ready for the Prime Minister to touch down any moment now. We're standing by for the images of Prime Minister Modi reaching Jeddah. And like I said, it's a historic visit. The third time that the Prime Minister is in Saudi Arabia, but the very first time that he's going to be not in Riyadh, but in Jeddah. And the images continuing to come in of dance and song by the Indian diaspora. Okay, so the Indian diaspora there, very sporting. You can see that they're celebrating all things Indian culture, heritage, all of that as they're dancing there, performing Garba, it seems, to welcome the Prime Minister. Prime Minister Modi this evening is also on his schedule. Got about 30 minutes where he's going to be interacting with a very, very active, vibrant Indian diaspora in Saudi Arabia. Continue getting you all of those images. The Prime Minister expected to land in Jeddah any time now. This evening, very importantly, there's also the meeting that will take place between Prime Minister Modi and the Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, who he's hailed, repeatedly described as a very, very good and trusted friend. So his dost, the MBS, he will be meeting with later this evening.